know some of the best times of the day to practice and methods to begin your practice. So first off, it's never a wrong time to practice yoga. It's always a great time to practice yoga. All right, but there's no better time than when the day initially starts to start your life and your day and your body, mind, and spirit off with a yoga practice. All right, so although doing yoga at any time of day is fruitful and super beneficial, there's no greater time than when you first awaken and the body awakens to the breath being consciously breathed through it. All right, wonderful benefits which we're gonna go into on that yoga mat. So practice with me. Hit my links whenever you get the chance and subscribe to my daily yoga classes. I have something for you every single day, live and direct online. Another way that we're gonna practice yoga most efficiently. So first thing you're gonna do after you've gotten up out of the bed, before the body needs to eliminate any waste or urine, all right, brush your teeth really good. Get your teeth and your mouth good. Not just your teeth, but your mouth, tongue, gums, all that. Clean your mouth. And then once you clean your mouth, drink water. All right, water turns the electricity on in the body. We human beings are electromagnetic beings. All right, so to turn the electricity on, after you cleanse the mouth, and you're cleansing the mouth because all night while you're sleeping, toxins and bacteria are just showing up and having a great party and kicking it all night long. So when you wake up, you do not want to ingest those bacteria parties. Clean that out by cleaning the mouth. All right, so once you clean the mouth, drink some water. Water will push out any waste that's available to be pushed out of the body. All right, so drink a glass of water. After you drink that glass of water, go and allow yourself, or rather allow your bowels to move, and allow them to move that waste out of the body. Once you've done so, you want to take a bath or a shower. All right, a bath is ideal. 20 minutes of soaking in the hottest water you can stand is an excellent way to start your day, even before the yoga. After you've moved the bowels and taken the bath, and if not a bath, no problem, just take a shower. All right, but you want to do your best to get your entire being submerged in water at some point, so take a shower. Once you've taken that shower, now it's time to get to the yoga mat. At this point, it's yoga time. All right, so now we're going to start our practice out. Some of the poses we'll get into later. But for now, just know that this is the beginning way to begin your yoga practice by first eliminating the waste out of the bowels, then cleansing the body, then practice your yoga session, maybe 30 minutes, maybe 45 minutes, maybe an hour, however long. Just do your practice. After your practice, then you're gonna repeat the initial steps, which is you're going to go back to the restroom, have another bowel movement as the intestines and the inner self has been moving around via the yoga mat and the yoga practice. So you want to go ahead and move them bowels again. After that, take another bath or shower. 20-minute bath, hottest water you can stand, to sit there and enjoy it. Or take that shower, cleansing the body, and then begin your beautiful day and have a great day. You're going to be charged up, energized. You're already ahead of the curve because you've gotten up early enough that you don't have to rush today. All right, so have a great day. Have a great day today, and do the same thing tomorrow to have a great day. And with a continued practice of great day having, you're going to have a great life. All right, akhuyoga. Join me and my community. Not my community as if I own them, but my community as if I love the people who show up on these mats with me. All right, so join the community, be each other's accountability partners, showing up for ourselves often, even if not every day on that yoga mat live. We're gonna show up as often as possible, clearing out the clogs, pressing ourselves to become the diamonds that we have always been. All right, so I'll see you on that yoga mat. Akhu out.